guys are never gonna believe this. What's the hurry? It's this magnificent drink. Try it. It'll change your life. No, please. It can't be that good. Wow! See? I told you it was magnificent. Queenie, what is this? You gotta tell me. Legend says it's called a slushy. It's the only drink you can chew. It's the production of something the humans call a convenience store. They say it's so powerful, it has to be erected with a machine. I want a slushy too. Whoa! Snuffles, you need to try this. This is all I need to hear. We're going to the convenience store. Here's the plan. Here's the plan. I tracked down the convenience store right here. It closes at 12. There's a window on the side where we could get in. I'm the marble, Queen's the pedal, Snubbles is this cool keychain I found on the ground, and Snowball is this pebble. Hey, why do I have to be the pebble? What, do you want to be a paperclip or something? I would love to be a paperclip. Snuffles will be right outside the window to make sure nobody comes around while we're busy. The rest of us will enter and scout the place for the magnificent slushy machine. How will we know which machine's the slushy machine? Well, Snowball, there's only one way to find out. We strike at midnight. Alright guys, it's gonna take a bit of effort to open. Never mind. Whoa! We should get looking. If you see something that looks like a slushy machine, just call. This must be the place. Better make sure. Oh boy. Hey, it's milk. Cool. This must be the slushy dispenser then. I know it's gotta be here somewhere. I'm starting to think this isn't a convenience store. Wait a minute. That stain smells familiar. There be slushy nearby. Oh my god, the slushy machine! Guys, I found it! You did? Yeah. Wait, where's Tit Tat? Oh, they have a catnip flavor? Don't worry, guys. Huh? Cocoon! Aha! You're not supposed to be here. Get out! No, you get out. There's only room for one slip slap in this convenience store. You mean Tip Tat? No, slip slap. Tip Tat. Slip slap. Tip Tat. Slip slap. Hey guys, I got the... Hey, I'm seeing double here. Whee! Oh. There's another Tip Tat. Maybe that means... Fireball and Ruffles? Careful, I'm hot to the touch. That ought to do it. My slushies! That's my slushy, thank you. Where on earth did you get that? Got it from right here. That's why we came. And nobody told me. 2 years of my life wasted on nothing but hot dogs. Never eat a hot dog like that again. Now that we know where the slushy machine is, it's time to feast. Hey, Snuffles, get in here. We found the booty. Guess we should have drank responsibly.